Hey Lux fam, welcome back to my YouTube. My name is Natalie. If you are new here, welcome in. Make sure you like and subscribe so you can see more videos like this on your timeline. Natalie, and I talk about all things business, beauty, lifestyle, and family. Today's video is about how you can become a Amazon or TikTok affiliate and make money from home. This is a business model that is $0 to start. So let's get straight into it. So about myself, I started affiliate marketing 2024 and I was extremely successful at this business model. So affiliate marketing, what it is basically someone who is promoting another person's item in exchange for commission. And the reason why I say you can start this at no cost is because you can take a look at all the items you already own and start from there. You can start promoting items that are already on Amazon or TikTok Shop. That's how I started. Long story short, when the TikTok Shop came out, I had one of the little ring lights and I decided to, the little selfie ring lights, and I decided to make a video and I found the selfie light on the TikTok Shop as well. I made a dramatic video with one lash on, one lash off, and showing how dark it was without my light and how great the light was. And that blew up for me, and that was my first affiliate video. But even before the TikTok Shop, I have been a affiliate for Amazon, and it was easy to get started with Amazon. All I had to do was apply, become a affiliate, and create a storefront and list my favorite products on my Amazon storefront. Affiliate marketing is you promoting someone else's item in exchange for a commission. So you can become a affiliate on TikTok or Amazon. I started with Amazon and then I went over to TikTok in 2024. So both platforms, you do have to apply and be accepted into both affiliate programs. You do this by building an online presence. On TikTok, you need 5,000 followers to become a TikTok Shop affiliate. Some people are able to get into the program before having 5,000 followers because they are very active on TikTok. And for Amazon, you also have to apply, but it really just goes based off of your online presence. So your first step to becoming an affiliate is to establish an online presence. Start creating videos on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest. Teach us who you are, show us what you do and what you love to do. Create content pillars around those things. Content pillars are going to be the different levels and different things your content is about. So my content pillars, since I'm a wife, I'm a mom, I'm a business owner, I like to create different pillars and within my niche of those different parts of my life. So part of my content showcases my life as a mom, showcases my business. I teach people how to start businesses and grow their business. So when you see my videos, these are all things you can anticipate in my videos. This makes it a lot easier for you because when people know you for certain types of content, they will be willing to click on your links and purchase the things that you suggest because they trust you and your judgment on these items. I'll tell you the difference between the two programs. So for Amazon, you would buy your own products and promote products you love. I'm sure you can also reach out to Amazon sellers, but I haven't done that. I just promoted products that I already had and things that were in my home that I found on Amazon. On TikTok Shop, you can also promote products that you already have, or you can request samples from the TikTok Shop. You would go into the TikTok Shop, see if the sample is available to you, and apply. Of course, this is depending on the seller. They choose if they want you to promote, if they don't. For example, a product that I promoted off the TikTok Shop is the Body Glaze by Canvas Beauty. She is the number one seller on TikTok Shop, and I was happy to click the request for her sample and be granted the sample and promote it for her. So here are the main things that your videos need to hit the timeline and potentially go viral, which will get you more eyes to get more sales. Your video should always include a hook. You have 3 seconds at the beginning of your video to catch my attention. People have such a short attention span. You must grab their attention at the beginning of the video. You also must have a hook. Your hook would be the first sentence on your video screen. When the TikTok shop first started, a lot of people had hooks stating, do not buy this because, or you would have a hook that goes, buy this if you want to save time by doing this. Like, you need something that's going to entice people, get their attention, and make them want to stop to watch your video. So you must have a hook. You must get their attention within the 3 first seconds of your video. That is things that you must include. You must include those things on your TikTok videos. Last but not least, you need to add a call to action. People should know exactly what to do after watching your video. They shouldn't be wondering, they shouldn't be guessing. If you need them to hit that orange shopping cart, which is what's always on the TikTok shop videos, you need to tell them in the video, hit that orange shopping cart below this video, or tap that orange shopping cart. Grab it now. It's selling fast. You must tell them what to do to be able to generate those sales. On Amazon, I noticed that Amazon is all about the aesthetics. I see girls creating luxury spaces and showing how they set up their bedroom or reorganize, and then linking those Amazon products in their bio so people can be able to purchase. Basically, they're showing the interior design of their homes, and people want the look and feel, so they go ahead and buy these items. A lot of the girls do say, do a office reset with me or redecorate my office for under $300. They really make it look nice and affordable, so that drives people to want to purchase the items that they are promoting. And that is a great way to get people to click those links so you guys can make money on the products that you are promoting. Another thing that you guys can do is create a Pinterest account and share pictures of items that are already on Amazon and link them and have people go from Pinterest to Amazon that way. You would share nice aesthetic photos or take your own photos, link them on there, and get people to go onto your links. So your main thing should always be to grab people's attention and to make them click on the link or visit the link that you're trying to get them to. Also, you don't only have to stick to Amazon or TikTok. You can be a affiliate for a small business. Like my business, Ava C Lux, we are always looking for affiliates. You can go ahead and purchase a pair of lashes and promote the lashes and make 20% commission on each sale. So you make money, you make the brand money, then you make money. That's guaranteed. So if you were to go viral for a lash application and millions of people are purchasing this lash, you are getting a piece of that cake. Don't be afraid and feel like, oh, my family and friends are not going to support me. Make a new page. Make a new page and stay consistent. It's the beginning of the year. If you start your affiliate marketing journey, you don't know how far it can take you by the end of the year. You'll be in it for 11 months, 12 months, and then you can say, wow, like I've been doing this for 12 months. And like I said, it's a low startup cost because you don't need to have money to start promoting. You need to get approved into the programs. You need to have items that you can find links to so people can purchase from those links. That is all you need. You need ambition. You need to make sure that you are out here trying to figure out how you can make people go to that link that you want them to purchase. What other tips do I have? Those are my main tips for affiliates. But like I said, there are so many ways and companies that you can become an affiliate for. Don't just settle for Amazon or TikTok or my business. You guys can reach out to companies or look up the best companies to become an affiliate for and you to be able to start. Like we have 12 months. We have 12 months to get this money. There's a lot of money. There's a lot of companies that need affiliates, that need people promoting for them. So you guys can definitely do this. If you made it to the end of this video, make sure you like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments who or which company you want to reach out to become an affiliate for. Do you want to reach out to Amazon? Do you want to reach out to TikTok? Or do you want to reach out to my company? Or are you going to be doing your research and trying to find another company to become an affiliate for? There are millions of people who started affiliate marketing. This is not a new form of a business model. A lot of people do this and they make a lot of money, especially on the TikTok shop. Live selling is such a great thing. And on you can also go live and drive people to these links. So say you're a person that loves to speak, you can get live on Instagram. You can go live for 30 days and promote the same thing to people and say, hey, go check it out. Go check it out. And you can make your commissions like that. So there's so many different ways you can promote products and get people to purchase. So the choice is yours on really what you want to focus on and where you want to promote the products. If you made it to the end of this video, go ahead and like and subscribe. Like I said, thank you guys so much for rocking with me. I will be back with another video this week, so stay tuned for that. This was great. I love sharing all my tips, and let me know in the comments as well what other videos you guys want to see from me, or if you guys still need extra ways to make money. I will be dropping more videos, so stay tuned. Turn on your post notification bell so you can get notified when I drop my next video. Toodles!